Okay, so in this video we're going to show you how to attach a box style camera to an inside outdoor housing. So first you have to do is you'd open up your outdoor housing. Like so. Then you remove this little piece inside. And then it comes with these this big screw. So you get the camera, and you put it like so. Put the screw in there. Get your screwdriver. Twist it on, and then this would go. Mount that back inside there. Snap it in. So then you'd adjust the camera and slide it to where you need it. You can adjust your varifocal and auto iris and focus settings over here. And then once it's mounted in there, you just close the top down, secure it, and then it'll be ready for you to screw on your mount on the bottom of the camera. And then you just screw on your mount and you're ready to go.